Module 1, Foundations of Public Policy and Policy Analysis. Definition and scope of public policy. Public policy as a deliberate course of action adopted by government or organizations. Differentiating policy from laws, regulations, and programs. The societal, economic, and political purposes of policy. Policy cycle and stages agenda setting. How issues become recognized as priorities. Policy formulation. Developing alternative strategies to address problems. Decision-making, selection of the most appropriate policy. Implementation, translating policy into actionable programs. Monitoring and evaluation, assessing effectiveness and revising policies as needed. Theoretical approaches to policy formulation. Rational model assumes clear objectives, perfect information, and logical decision-making. Incrementalism emphasizes small, gradual changes rather than radical reforms. Mixed scanning combines rational analysis with incremental adjustments. Systems approach views policymaking as a dynamic interaction of inputs, processes, outputs, and feedback. Policy actors and stakeholders' role of government institutions, executive, legislature, judiciary, and bureaucracies. Influence of non-governmental actors, interest groups, media, civil society, and citizens. Stakeholder mapping and understanding policy networks. Policy analysis fundamentals. Defining policy problems clearly and systematically. Distinguishing between policy goals, objectives, and instruments. Role of evidence, research, and data in shaping rational policy decisions. Ethical considerations. Equity, fairness, accountability, and transparency. Challenges in policy formulation. Conflicting stakeholder interests and political pressures. Resource constraints and budgetary limitations. Uncertainty, risk, and unintended consequences. Balancing short-term versus long-term societal impacts. Practical application and case studies analysis of historical and contemporary policy initiatives. Understanding policy success and failure factors, role-playing exercises to simulate policy decision-making scenarios, critical evaluation of policy documents, white papers, and legislative proposals.